those that take advantage of opportunities, especially the first embracers of opportunity. In most cases, they reap the most rewards. A big thing is going to happen in 2024, and the foundations are being laid from this year and from these months. Jeff Bezos' big Amazon is coming and launching in South Africa. That's a big thing for people who were previously or who are or who want to be involved with e-commerce. Amazon is one of the world's most trusted platforms or marketplaces. They allow people to list their products on their platform in order to sell on their platform. They give people different options and several options. Either you take your product to their warehouse or you fulfill the product yourself. It then depends with your choices. And they are coming to South Africa. It's no longer a grapevine. It's official information that Amazon is coming to South Africa. Those that lived in 1867, to those that took advantage of the diamond rush, which was prevailing in that time, they surely reaped the benefits. And some of the wealth we see being flaunted around in our time currently, some are the proceeds from the forefathers who took advantage of something which was happening during that time. So the goal here is to just highlight that those who take full advantage of opportunity, they always reap good rewards. And being the first, first people are always reap the best rewards. Especially in regards to Amazon, I will speak a lot of the more advantages of being the first on Amazon. Without wasting much of your time, see you after this introduction. So let me do a summary of what I'm gonna be covering today. I'm gonna be covering the launch of Amazon. I'm gonna do a bit of background about Amazon. I'm also going to do highlight their packages or their pricing plans. I'm also gonna help you negotiate on how to register and what's needed to register. Then I'm gonna discuss a few things obviously about Amazon. The goal is to just help people. As a disclaimer, I'm not in any way a representative of Amazon. Neither do I try to advise people financially. Don't consider this information as financial advice or as affiliated to anything. I'm just an individual who has done my research so as to simplify things for my followers and those who care and those who interact with my platforms. So without wasting much of your time, consider this as a disclaimer. I advise your discretion. Do your research first before acting upon anything which I advise you. So let's get into the meat and bones. So what happens is Amazon, probably Jeff Bezos is ranked in the top rich people in the world, but that has nothing to do with obviously Amazon coming to South Africa. So Amazon is a platform founded, as I said, by Jeff Bezos in America, the United States. It became a global hit, and it's operating in many first world countries, including the Americas, the likes of Canada, UK, and stuff. So obviously, in many cases, in many respects, Africa always is left out of because of so many bottlenecks involved with Africa, or so many hindrances to business. So it has been an issue for quite a long time that Amazon is going to come to South Africa, but I don't know. I can't say they were false starts, but they obviously they knew the best time to come. But now it's official. Amazon is coming to South Africa and is planning to launch, I think, in the next year. And if I say next year, it means in the coming 2 months or 3, depending on when you are watching this film. So it's an opportunity of a lifetime if you have been involved in Take a Lot or selling anything. I personally, obviously, Amazon is new. I'll never claim to be an expert on that, but I want to help as much people as possible. Before you go any further, if you like it so far, please show it up. If per se you are new to my channel, I would like you to subscribe to my channel, as I have a goal to reach a few subscribers today, which I think you are one of them today. You lose nothing by pressing that. Also, I frequently share valuable insights and information about digital marketing, how to market your business online. As we are speaking of Amazon, I'm going to do Amazon videos throughout. Amazon SEO is a big thing, and a lot of stuff which I'm gonna be sharing. So there is a very good reason to subscribe. Okay, let's go. So the first thing obviously would be how do you register on Amazon? Currently, registration is the big thing now. They are accepting applicants who want to register via Amazon, and if you are the first people who receive the best slots on Amazon, especially in regards to products showing up, especially if the time factor comes in. So I do really encourage you, if they say you are selling online and you are planning to sell online, to register with Amazon. They don't need much things. What's needed there is just your identity, your ID. Make sure your ID is ready. Obviously, I do believe you have to take a picture and upload it on the website. You would also need a chargeable bank card, which is your common Visa or MasterCard or American Express, depending on the bank. You would also need your tax information. I do believe you have to visit the website to check which kind of tax information do they need. Maybe it's a tax number or something there. Kindly check with the website. You would also need your phone number, your daily phone number to register. So let's recap. Government issued national identity, bank account number, it's also needed. A chargeable bank card is also needed. Your tax information and your phone number. So those are the core things needed for you to register. To register, please, I'll put the link in the first comment. As of now, my YouTube, it doesn't allow links in the bio, but I'll try to put it in the comments, or visit this website address showing on your screen. I do believe, but make sure you make your research first before doing much things. Okay, so those are the things which you need to register. So how much Amazon's costs? Obviously, the platform is not for free, so they are offering two plans, which is a professional plan and an individual plan. The individual plan is quite a small plan for people who are planning to sell less than 40 products per month, or listing less than 40 products. So you are charged a fee there. I do believe, obviously, in regards to fees, they are up to Amazon. They are subject to changes, and they are subject to Amazon doing whatever they want to do with their fees. So as of now, they argue that they charge something like 10 Rand per sale excluding obviously additionals, or excluding some extra fees which might come, like tax or shipping, or even referral fees. But for those people who are interested in selling less than 40 products, those people who want to keep their costs lower, those people who have no need of Amazon add-ons like SEO tools and stuff, those people who are considering themselves as starters, that's your plan, the individual plan. Then the professional plan, obviously for people who want to sell more than 40 products, those people who consider themselves as established online sellers, and those ones who want to grow and obviously have growth on Amazon. They offer add-ons, that's your Amazon SEO tools, trainings and stuff, and a lot of more things there on Amazon. More so, it's charged per month. That's currently, they argue that it's R1. It comes, I think, obviously on a product basis, a R1 fee per month. But it's subject to Amazon, and mind you, these are unverified pricing plans as of yet. But obviously, if you have to be involved, you know the plans. So that's a bit about those pricing plans which they have so far. So after that, obviously, you are you gain access into the Amazon Seller Central, where you have access to the product detail page, trainings, and a lot other things. So I do believe 16 minutes or 17 or 18 were worth your time. Please, thank you very much. I really appreciate this. Thank you. See you next time.